first things first, queens. I know that there's a lot of stuff on the internet that's kind of misleading, and you might think that, oh, I just got to do ab workouts and I'll have abs. It's a lot more to it than that, right? You got to do both exercise and nutrition, right? You could do 1,000,000 sit-ups and you won't have no abs. The stomach will still be there looking at you like, right? So it's a combination of ab workouts and nutrition. You ever hear people say abs are made in the kitchen? It's a reason they say that. It's because so much of the belly fat and losing belly fat and having a flat stomach is about what we eat. But I'm gonna tell you exactly what to eat and exactly what not to eat. What exercises to do and what exercises that ain't gonna do nothing for you, okay? I got you. So, first tip is to avoid processed foods. Okay, this is something I never tell you guys. I never tell you guys why. Like, I never tell you, queens, why you should do what I tell you to do. Okay, so this video, I'll tell you why. Okay, number one is to avoid processed foods, because these foods they have added sugar, added sodium, and all these added things, they cause you to retain water. And we don't want that. If you want your stomach to be on flat in 2022, we don't want to be retaining water. No, we don't want no water weight. We don't want to look fat if we're not actually fat. You know what I'm saying? We don't want that. So we're gonna avoid the processed foods. I know these foods are good. I know they're addictive. I know they taste nice, but we want flat stomachs, right? We want to be out here stunting. So something has to give. Examples of processed foods, because I know sometimes you don't even know what is processed foods or what is considered processed foods. Is like the cereal, bread, the cookies, the muffins. The easiest way to know if something is considered processed foods is, did God make it or did man make it? If we made it, it's processed. It's processed, okay? I know y'all like to start your day with cereal and the pancake and the bread and the bagel and the muffin. Bro, this is what's causing the pudge, sis. So no, right? No. 2022, we said we're coming for that flat stomach. I know I'm coming for that flat stomach in 22, baby girl. I already bought like 10 bathing suits. Listen, I'm ready. Baby girl, my bikinis are ready, okay? So I gotta get ready, all right? Anyway, instead of eating the processed foods, go for whole foods. Eat foods that pretty much God made. If God made it, it's whole foods. Right? Tomatoes, you have a sweet potato, you got your yams. Anything that God made, eat that stuff. Right? If you eat meat, eat your meat. If you eat veggies, you're vegetarian, eat your vegetables. Eat whole foods. All right? Moving on. Step number 2. Step number 2 is to avoid bloating foods. The foods that make you bloated. Listen, over the Christmas, we went out to this hotel. We went to Florida Keys, and we're at the Keys, you know, I'm drinking liquor, I'm eating chips. I ate some onion, I ate like a Chipotle bowl with onions and chicken and rice. When I tell you my stomach was as big as a cow, like bro, my belly was out here. It was like, what the hell? And I was like, bro, this bloating thing is just out of control. Like, I really been observing my body to see what foods make me bloat. And this is what you have to do too. You gotta know what makes you bloat and stop eating it. Just simple as that. I noticed that broccoli makes me bloat. Milk, I'm done with milk personally. Milk, broccoli, the cheese, the alcohol blow me up like a cow. The milky coffee blew me up like a cow. The onions and garlic, because I'm Jamaican, y'all. I grew up eating we season everything with garlic and onion. It's out here bloated as hell. So some pretty common foods that make us bloat are broccoli, cauliflower, onion, garlic, dairy, alcohol, milk. You have to figure out observe your body. when you eat certain food, what makes your stomach look like you just ate a million things, right? You gotta pay attention to that, right? All right, what I started doing is, instead of eating the broccoli, I'll eat some spinach for my leafy greens, because spinach doesn't make me bloat. And I'm still kind of figuring it out. I know asparagus is a good one as well. That doesn't make you bloat. Baby kale is okay. Some people get bloated from kale. So you just have to know your body and then go from there. All right. Next thing, number 3. Tip number 3 is to drink more water. Every influencer is telling you to drink water. For everybody's telling you to drink more water. If you want to have your stomach on flat, water is going to help you out. Make sure you drink lots and lots of water. I have this baby with me over the winter break. I've been drinking this baby. I try to drink a gallon a day, at least half a gallon. All right. And what it does is water helps you to poop more, right? It helps you to go more regularly. And another thing water does is it's gonna help you to speed up your metabolism, and it also helps with curbing your appetite. And like, sometimes when you think you're hungry, you just need to drink some water. You're just thirsty. And when you drink a lot of water, you eat less because you're not that hungry and you're not craving so much. All right, next tip. Tip number 4 is exercise. So you have HIIT workouts that's gonna help you to lose belly fat and to really have that flat stomach and your abs be more defined. And you're gonna do more cardio. So you got 2 options, right? You're gonna do more cardio, and a way to get your cardio in is HIIT workouts, or I recommend boxing. I injured my leg in the army and I do not run. Nor do I don't miss running either. It's not like I miss running. I'm out here like, boy, ain't nobody miss running. Listen, I know people who tell you that you gotta run 6 miles a day or 5 miles a day so you can have abs. It's just not the case. It's just not the case. Okay, you could do there's other forms of cardio that you can do. You can do boxing. You could do running if you like. You can do biking. I personally do boxing because it's really fun. It's really fun, and I like feeling like I'm beating somebody up. I like being in the gym feeling like, yeah, I'm beating somebody up today. And you're burning calories, you're sweating. It's such a good way to lose the belly fat, and have your stomach looking good. You know what I'm saying? You're burning those calories. You're gonna be looking right. Okay, another option is HIIT workouts. HIIT workouts, I really like HIIT workouts because it's so good for busy people. It's busy people friendly, like me and you. I know you got bills, I know you got work, I know you have a lot going on. So HIIT workouts will really help you. This is what you want to do, right? We're on YouTube right now. Go on YouTube, type in HIIT workouts, and just click one and do it. That's it. I'll also link my HIIT workouts that I have right here so that you can go and watch it. Okay, go and watch that and try the workout. It's 10-15 minutes. Do the HIIT workouts, right? The great thing about it is because it's interval training, right? What's gonna happen is you're gonna bring your heart rate up and down, up and down, up and down. And even after you're done working out, you're still burning calories. You're on your way to work and you're like, why am I sweating? Why am I sweating still, bro? Like, why do I feel like I'm still burning calories? Because you are. That's the beautiful thing about it, yo. It's like you do 15 minutes workout and you're still burning calories throughout the day. You're like, I got all this energy. It's really cool. So do it. Do the HIIT workouts. It's really, really good. It's gonna help you out, queens. So those are my 4 tips. I have number 5 is a bonus tip. All right. Tip number 5 is a bonus. So if you made it to this far in the video, I got a bonus tip for you. Okay. All right. Let me calm down a little bit. All right. So check this out. Tip number 5. Well, let's do a little recap. So tip number 1 was to avoid the processed foods because it's gonna help you. It's gonna make you retain water, and we don't want the water weight. We don't want to look fat if we're not actually fat, right? Number 2 is know what bloats you. Know the foods that make you bloat. Tip number 3 you're gonna be drinking your water. Tip number 4 is cardio and HIIT workouts. Tip number 5 is okay, I'm gonna give you 10 workouts, 10 abs workout that you can add to your exercise routine. So all right, I got 10 exercises that I'm gonna show you, 10 ab workouts that you can add to your routine. At the end of your routine, it's gonna help you to tighten up the pudgy. You know what I'm saying? We're coming for the pudgy 2022. All right, next, let's go. So exercise number 1 is gonna be some mountain climbers. So let's go, drop down. So boom, you're right here like you're gonna do a push-up. You're just driving your legs into your elbows. Boom, boom. Or you can go cross-body. Drive your legs across your body. Boom, boom, boom. Second exercise is gonna be plank jacks. So you're staying in this position like right here, and you just opening your legs, bringing them in. Open, in, open, in. Third exercise, commando planks. Coming down, popping up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do these exercises for 1 minute. Number 4 is gonna be Spider-Man plank. So right here, and you're just bringing up your leg to your elbow. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Each exercise is a minute. All right. 1 minute. Next exercise is just to hold the plank for 1 minute. All right. So right here. So you're right here, and you're keeping your booty down. Hold the plank. Woo! Next exercise, you're gonna pop up and touch your toes, and then go into a commando plank. So like this, touch your toe left, right, and then 1, 2. So pop up, boom, boom, bam, bam, down, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Next exercise, Russian twist. So you can use the bottle. Use the bottle right here, and you're twisting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 minute per exercise. All right. Next exercise, my fave, toe touches. Right here, legs up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. 1 minute. And lastly, well, not lastly, is we're gonna do some shoulder taps into plank jacks, and we're gonna do some leg raises into toe touches. So lucky number 9 is right here, right in a push-up position. Widen your legs, tap your shoulders, boom, boom, and then plank jack. Out, in, right? So right here, shoulder tap, and then in, out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last exercise is gonna be a leg raise into a toe touch. Let's knock it out. Woo! Let's get it. Out of breath and everything, boy. Y'all got me out here in the dirt. The leg raise. Okay, what was it? Leg raise. Woo! When you're up at the top, you do boom, down, come up, and boom, boom. Woo! Boy, that with my booty. Them 10 exercises. All right, queens. So those are my 10 exercises that you can add to your workout routine to do your abs. Do them for 1 minute each. It's a 10-minute workout. And thank you, queens, for over 3,000 subs. By the time I post this, hopefully we'll be at 4 or 5 or more than that, you know what I'm saying? But thank you. I'm super grateful. Please continue to like the video, share the videos, comment, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, cause 2022, baby, we got workout vids coming every week for you. I have fat loss tips. I have everything you need to lose weight, lose fat, to stay in shape, to chisel these thighs. Everything is coming. Okay, so make sure you comment, make sure you're subscribing. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see y'all next week. Okay, let's get it.